Today is 5/20/2024. I'm reviewing the SPY. Today's SPY is a great profit, should be a good profit for those who went short. As I said last time for the Friday review, right? 50, look at 1 minute and 2 minute time frame. The 50 moving average crossed below 200. So it happened today on 1 minute and 2 minutes. I believe you should be able to pick up, 1.5 points at least. And I said, last time, even 50 cross 200, it wouldn't happen right away. It would take about a few hours. So it did. It took about 3 hours. It went up and then sideways and then came back down. So the simple strategy worked today for 1 minute, 2 minute time frames, 50 cross 200. Okay. So let's look at what happened. And today, interesting, we hit double top. Don't forget, we look at 30 minute here. We got double top. So, but it's not convincing. It doesn't convince me, the trend is reversal. It's just double top, temporary pullback. That's about it. Not sure we will have another new high tomorrow, but let's look at support resistance. Let's find out. For tomorrow support, we have 5-day moving average. We have 10-day moving average. And interesting, one thing, I noticed for the 10-day moving average, the 10-day moving average hasn't been tested for the last 12 days. Okay? So it's kind of weird. It should probably come back down to soon to test the 10-day moving average. So if this is a double top, if it's a hold double top, then once break below 5-day, most likely will hit 10-day moving average and fill the first gap. Don't forget we have a gap here. Gap. I don't think it will fill the second gap this week, but most likely the first one. The first gap, watch out, this one. So first gap, let's fill the first gap, then we talk about the second gap later. So it has to go below 5-day moving average first, as long as trading below. If it tests around 10-day moving average, most likely will fill the first gap here. Okay. So we got support, 10-day moving average, 5-day, 10 days moving average for support. For the resistance, since this is a new high, we don't know the resistance, right? But I show it to you. I said for the Friday video, I said the target is 550. That should be the ultimate high, either coming, it's going to happen in months or in weeks. Don't know yet, but it's going to happen. So it looks like as long as it stays above 524, this support line here, as long as trading and close above 524, you should head up to the 550. So how did I get 550? I think I showed it to you already, right? Let's do it again. For the monthly charts, the SPY monthly chart, we got 2 years, within 2 years. Now we form a cup. Now we got a handle here. So according to the textbook, we should have a mirror image. So this is about 100 points here. So add another 100 points on top. So it's about 550. Okay, that's what I have here. Just be safe. It could go as high as 560. Okay, but for now, I think 550 should be a safe bet. So for daily chart, we got 5-day moving average, and below we have 10-day. 10-day moving average hasn't been tested for the last 12 days, so watch out. There might be a deeper pullback, and before new high again. So we will see. And let's look at tomorrow. Tomorrow, look at 1 minute. So for 1 minute time frame, 50 cross 200 should happen almost every day. So most likely it will happen tomorrow. We see double bottom, sort of, right? It's forming a bottom here. As long as it stays above 529, it should be bullish for now. Let's see, it will happen again for 50 cross 200 moving average. So it's 2 minute time frame. And today we have a double top. I'm not sure this is a real double top or just we're gonna have a new breakout. This is a fake double top or real double top, don't know yet. But as long as it's trading above 528, I would say it's still uptrend. The trend is not reversed. But once trade below the 5-day moving average, below this here, it might go further down. So support should be 524 right here. Resistance is hard to say. Have to wait and see. Since it's new high, I don't see any resistance up there. Don't know yet. And for the 30-minute double top, is this a double top? Don't know. We will find out tomorrow. But if this is a double top, it has to close below this one. As long as it's close below 5278, yeah, but it will fill the first gap here, and then should be 524 should be a support. Let's look at level by level first. Tomorrow, let's see what the market gives us tomorrow. Okay, but temporary still bullish because look at the 1 minute, 2 minute time frame. Now it's trading below 200. So if tomorrow if it goes back 200 moving average, that means it's still bullish. Looks like it will go up there. So we will see. And for now, not much we can do. But for today's action, it's beautiful, right? If those who went short around here, 531, you should be able to pick up 1/2 point. Even if you don't get 1/2 point, at least you get 1 point for sure. But breakout, nice 1 point or 1/2, in my opinion. Okay, let's see what the market will give us tomorrow. Good luck on your trading. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.